Next up, boring operation for Crown. We need to kill 9 enemies with drill charges, destroy 3 vehicles with drill charges, and finally kill 6 riot shield wielding enemies with drill charges. 2 of them may be easy because of strongholds. They're places where enemies are locked inside, forced to wait for you to come by. Find yourself a stronghold key and head to one. Now that we're by a stronghold and I have a stronghold key, I'll open it and head inside. Now for this, we'll clear it out except for anyone with a riot shield. That way we can do this properly. Well, here are the riot shield enemies. Just simply chuck your drill charge so that it lands on them and you should get the kill pretty much immediately. There we go. This one went behind him, but I think it counted. Now, obviously that I've used 2, I'll need to chuck an ammo box so I can get some more. But I don't think there's anyone else in here. Hey, another drill charge, will yoink this for later. And a better cast of. Sweet. Obviously, if you hit these kinds of vehicles when there's enemies on them, you could also get a bunch of kills and, of course, destroy a vehicle in the process. Maybe not with one, but you get the point. Now, one of the best places for me to do this mission, blowing up 3 vehicles, is on Ashika Island near the north here. For me, 3 vehicles spawned in on the northwest side. Of course, there's an ammo depot nearby, and I have an ammo box in my equipment slot. So I'll park 3 boats close enough to each other and just get chucking. So with 2 boats disabled, we'll head for the finisher, and after a few seconds, we should have the achievement. Maybe not. These things seem to still have a bit of life in them. We'll need to go for another ammo depot, but of course my game decides now's the time to crash. So with 2 drill charges on me, 1 in my inventory and 2 ammo boxes, that's a total of 7 drill charges we can use. The best place to use these would be strongholds, which you can find all over the map. We'll be clearing out most of the outside, leaving the inside for the picking. Without drill charges, we can hopefully get some kills with drill charges, and of course kills on riot shield enemies with said drill charges as well. Now, as for vehicles, you can destroy literally any vehicle with those, so it doesn't really matter. Now, these seem easy enough to use, however, as they stick to people, all you need is a steady hand when you throw these. On top of this, if you throw these into a group, they work pretty well. If you throw these on a wall, for example, they'll blow through the wall, causing quite a bit of damage to the inside. For example, if I stick one here, it'll drill in and destroy the one on the inside here. Now that's 8 out of 9 kills complete. It's simple enough to do. I'll stick it straight to them, or the wall rather, and there we go. There's one of them done. All we need to do is do that a handful more times. But for the most part, you understand the premise of this mission. It's just a matter of rinsing and repeating. Using strongholds for both kills and riot shield enemy kills is probably the best thing that you could do, whether you have a key card to run in and find 2 or 3, or hopefully find a window to break and chuck one in, getting 1. It's just a tedious mission, to be sure. Do make sure to start missions with both an ammo refill on you and a drill charge selected as well. That way, when you use all of your drill charges, you can refill and hopefully get 3 or 4 in total, pretty much for free just by spawning into a game. And obviously you'll need to do quite a few of these. I'm not too sure if riot shield enemies spawn on the new Ashika map, but they definitely do spawn on the old map in this game. So thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!